Have you ever seen the circus? Have you ever seen the Jolly Joker? Today, we are going to make a Jolly Joker. For that, we need plastic crayons, Fevicol and thermocol balls. Thermocol balls are given in the book. Let's start the coloring first. All color samples has given to you. Let's make the cap red. Spread the Fevicol and paste the thermocol balls. With this, paste different colors of thermocol balls. And with this, we have come to the end. Your Jolly Joker is ready.